Hey, so if you're getting a VLC playback error on Windows, yeah, like the video won't start, it freezes, or you get an error message while playing a file, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, try another video file. This helps you figure out if the issue is with VLC or just that file. Next, yeah, close VLC completely and reopen it. Sometimes playback errors are just temporary glitches. Now, make sure the video format is supported. VLC supports most formats, but corrupted files can still fail. Yeah, hardware acceleration can sometimes cause playback errors. Try turning it off in VLC settings. Now, switch the video output module. DirectX or OpenGL can fix rendering-related errors. Yeah, make sure VLC is updated. Older versions can have bugs that trigger playback errors. Now, resetting VLC preferences can fix broken settings causing playback issues. Yeah, corrupted cache files can also break playback. Clearing them can fix loading errors. If nothing works, reinstall VLC. This resets all playback components and fixes corrupted installation files. So yeah, that's how you fix VLC playback error on Windows. Most of the time, it's file issues, settings, or outdated software. Try these steps and your videos should play normally again. Thanks for watching.